Right now we're taking our two buggies or grain carts down to our first parking ground. This is the day before we start harvest 2022. First one we got's up there. It's a John Deere 8230 with a Kinze 1040. And then here I'm driving a John Deere 8430 paired with a Kinze 850. We're taking all these to the parking ground to be ready in the morning to sell. So right now we're taking our S680 combine and our 612 corn head down to the field.
Daddy took me by the hand.
Great way to hopefully have a good start tomorrow. Hopefully everything goes good. We get a couple acres knocked out the first day and everything goes good.
Cause I took this walk you're walking now, boy, I've been in your shoes. Well, you can't hold back the hands of time, it's just something you've got to do. So dry your eyes, I understand just what you're going through. Cause I took this same walk with my old man, boy, I've been in your shoes. Down our long dusty driveway, I set my mind to go. Well, I was 18 and wild and free and no wondering. Daddy took me by the hand, looked out at the world and at his grown man and said, don't worry, boy, it'll be alright. Cause I took this walk you're walking now, boy, I've been in your shoes. Well, you can't hold back the hands of time, it's just something you've got to do. So dry your eyes, I understand just what you're going through. Cause I took this same walk with my old man, boy, I've been in your shoes. Down our long dusty driveway, this time we both would go. Well, he had grown old and gray and his mind was a-wondering. Daddy took me by the hand, said I know where we're going and I understand. Don't worry, boy, it'll be alright. Cause I took this walk you're walking now, boy, I've been in your shoes. Well, you can't hold back the hands of time, it's just something you've got to do. So dry your eyes, I understand just what you're going through. Cause I took this same walk with my old man, boy, I've been in your shoes. Yes, I took this walk